Looking for a peaceful property conveniently located? This home is within the Berlin city limits, situated on over an acre. You won't see much traffic as it is located on a dead end. If gardening is your jam, there is a fenced-in garden ready to go for whatever you like to grow. Also, there is plenty of room for flowers in the flower bed. The sheds on the property are staying. Basement offers lots of storage with built-in shelving. This home allows for entertaining with ample parking space and a family room on the lower level. This 3-bedroom, quad-level home is awaiting you. Reviewing offers as they come in. Please allow 48 hours for binding acceptance. Open house Saturday, October 22, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.